Greetings everyone. We are YPTH coders. So the project we developed is Vahan. Vahan is an authentication and authorization system for all type of vehicles, including bikes, cars, trucks, jeeps, and all. So the tech stack we used is YOLO V5, which we use for the number plate detection purpose, and Easy OCR, which we use for the character recognition purpose, and PyQt5, which we use for the front-end development. The resources we used is Kaggle dataset, which provided us a numerous amount of number plates data, and it is used for providing ML datasets. We use YouTube videos, and we captured some of our own videos just to give a real life scenario to the project. So now let me take you to the repository. It's my local repository. You can use the GitHub one if you want to explore the project. So here we can see these two files, auth.xls and the output.xls. So in order to run the project, we will firstly run the detect.py file. Now let me show you the auth.xls and the output.xls file. So we will move to the auth.xls. So here we can see that there is a single column that is authenticated vehicle, and we have two vehicle number plates over here. That is DL8C AZ2181 and DL4C AD5579. So these two vehicles are the authenticated vehicles. So firstly, let me tell you that what do we mean by authenticated vehicles? Authenticated vehicles are the vehicles which have authorization, or we can say which have access to a particular organization, or they can enter into an organization. So now we will run our project, and let me show you one of the video where you have recognized the number plates. So it's a 30 seconds small clip. Just pause the video. So yeah, we watched the video. After running our model on the particular video, we found out the following results, which are stored in the output.xls file. So we have five different columns over here: the state one, the vehicle registration plate one, date and time, and authorized one. So the state column represents the state to which a particular vehicle belongs, and we have the vehicle registration plate, which represents the number plate number, and we have date and time to capture the timestamp and the particular date on which the vehicle went through the organization, or our system detected the vehicle. And the authorized column has two values, that is yes and no. Yes values are those values which were related to the vehicles which are in our auth list. So we can see over here we have yes in these two number plates, that is DL8C AZ2181 and DL4C AD5579. So now let me show you the auth.xls file. We have only two vehicles over here in the auth.xls file, and these vehicles are same as the vehicles on which we got yes in the output XLS file. And for the rest of the vehicles, we have the value of authorization as no. So now let's move on to the local repository again. So as I showed you the detect file and the auth.xls file and the output.xls file, now we have the last one as latest.py. So let me run the latest.py. It is used for the development of the front end of the project. Let me open the CMD over here. Now we have to write the command, that is python latest.py. So we got the main window. Here we have start detection, get details. So it is asking for the vehicle registration plate number, So we have to give the number in this text box, and then we have to click the get details button. So let me copy one of the vehicle number. I have copied it. Uh, I pasted the vehicle number, and now I'll click on the get details button. So I got number plate number, that is DL4C8D5579. I got the state of the vehicle, that is Delhi. I got the different timestamps on which the vehicle crossed our system or crossed the camera, and the authentication status, that is authenticated. It is showing yes, as these vehicles are authenticated vehicles. So now let me close it. So this was all about the project. If you want to know more about the project, you can mail us at ybthcoders@gmail.com. And if you want to visit or if you want to run the project, you can go to bit.ly/vahan_ybth. Thank you for watching the video.